They say Fulani herdsmen where they carry people, they go inside bush, they collect money for their hand. As it be like this now, the people where they carry from Anambra, they don't send message, give them, may they come tell the people of Anambra that they are here to revenge their papa death. Maybe their papa former Fulani kidnapper, maybe not be their papa. So like say they don't buy their papa for Anambra. They say they don't come to Anambra to revenge their papa death. That as it be now, they are in numbers, in many group, and the order, the paper, the form, everything where they carry come, the authority from Abuja come. He say anything where they do, the people where they carry for Anambra, he say nobody go free say anything, even police no go come rescue them. Now the message where he sent to these people where they free for inside Anambra. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. These are really happening. As it be like this now, if you dey for Anambra, why they do this video, be say may Soludo please share this video so that the governor Soludo of Anambra State go see him. Maybe he never hear him or he never see him. He need to see him. May you know say some people they inside in bush, they plan how you want to take buy your own people for inside Anambra. These people na Fulani. Okay, the question there is that the governors are busy looking for ESN. Why the Funanis are busy bringing themselves in numbers in Anambra to buy the citizens of Anambra State? Things are really happening. However, we go play the video, may you watch, and before we come back, continue. As we they talk that one, they say that some fake police people where they claim say they be police, so this one they happen for inside Igbo land again. They say these people now their work now to go wear police uniform. So police people join them, even me myself even join them. They do work where they be say the work no clear. Sometimes you go see from video where police stop one boy, young boy, they go say na Yahoo boy. Those people where they do this, most of them no be police, na range, na just illegal work. They do that thing for inside Nigeria. Oh, things are happening. Let's watch the video of the people where these people pay, no be say they leave them free. They pay the kidnapper, they pay almost 1.something million before they leave them. And they say more than 4 people are still in that bush. The citizens of Anambra watch the video.
Thank God. My brother Aputago. My brother Aputago.
On Sunday. On Sunday, I want it from Nuno. From Moto. Yes. I have measured here and there. Nah.
You okay? Go up and you one give you a chota.
Patana Mumba. I kidnap one.
I kidnap. No Mumba and I kidnap. Okay, go up here, Jimota. I kidnap. No Mumba.
Yes.
Hi. Oh, and no one no business.
Now, if we are getting about motherfucker about her.
Yeah?
Motherfucker that place. No, it's free. It's free. One work no more and does. What about 4 group? Yes, the man has a we are getting.
Kevian.
What's a video? What a man like a modi.
Nah, sorry. Since when last day, which day be able to one day? Yeah, go have 1.5 million.
Yes.
Hey! Nah, I'm not talent down.
About 4 group of that place now.
Kezi Odaiji, no,
that barrier. We may pass the Jim Moscow. Yeah. My friend. Now, one night, they are coming for it.
Yeah?
I quite don't have the same. I have heard that. Near I will just the 2 guys sent small. How the group by group. They are coming small. By the time I better zoo on Happy Sereno. Never I was ever. Never do not can't Jim Snip up here, but one of here. So now I never am on free. He's going to finish all of them.
Now we're from veteran.
No, yeah, AK-47. AK-47 go.
For aqua more buil go naka.
Uti.
And be another manaka or bolonke.
Pompation double bar.
No zota.
Just hasi I bada weba. I bad and that's I turn I say I mago cherry I brain. Say I stop there.
I stop.
Mba break. Put out in a the guy or the other cha. Mbios was a mongwa. Mubu ye Diego. I hope she complete. Since all the complete. I want to about the name. Okay, do you bet able? Do you bet able?
Abo mu din na.
You moving Babu Baya?
Hello,
Kafa. Stanley, yeah.
Tambo.
Stanley Tambo. Hi. Nah.
What are they on?
How the on? I'm not.
Mo mu ni ajamo. Ha. Ajamo na. Ajamo na ya.
Nah.
Mo gana ndamo mo gana yeme. Okay, oye ka kebu. Nka go ya. Okay, nya ka wa Opia mo na nke mo kopia mi ya. Mo kopia mi ya na ya ba. Opia no do nke nka na cha bala.
No to apa.
This morning.
Magagin.
Nego ko esi na mo gba ha wote Diego. Na obega na kwa sisi na bu oge. Okwa ndo ejiwe nke a. Okwa group nke mo.
Chineke how the group iche iche.
About the 4 group of 5 group can other place kita. About 5 group can on jiga ha jending ka. Ya ndinga ko.
Ya ali si group by group.
Aba han ha pata duro mo wa. Mo nde kesi ha biko. I because Diego always was saying we project.
Okay, hi, I confirm Diego.
I confirm for phone.
Hey, I remember.
And okay, we will see that.
Here I am number. Here I am number and forward all again.
Okay.
Hey, ya boko beli. Mike kwa bia na ndị nwa abịa kwụbịa pakwuru m na asị da ọka dị ọkwa mma otu ụta ma mbụ nke m nwa dị ọkwa mma otu mana ọ mangala ndị
Asị ngene ebe anyị nọ mgbe a tesere message.
kezi ime iji wee delete kpo ya niile
Ekwesị m delete ya.
delete ya on you delete ya na ọsọsọ gowa you have to delete everybody
Gbaa ngwa gị na ya.
Out of group na ba. Hana ya bakita na.
Asị ngene nna ebe nna.
Aba yo to ta. O ha ya ka jo anje. Mo chelo. Hana ya ba ko.
Odo ma na la meru dị ka nna.
Asi yo ya. Get up. Na the cross the CZ ba. Ya na wa.
chekwala cross kwa uza
Ebe mo ba kejira, me ba high cross. We pause ebe ni. Cross ko gan nchen na ya na zo ba yin. Cross for us ba ya.
Ala ka ọ bụ no ya na aba ebe anọ ji.
Ya me phone.
damage how ko azol phone na ya
Oh, kwa za phone.
odo go much ya smart 5
Wow.
ni de bo ebe na ta
Da ngebe zo na asba. Oyo bo ye mbagbu. Ke mpucha. Nlo ko magwe mu dinjera. Ebe na si enugu na ba. No problem now. For now. Because I can't jibia. Watching the next before Christmas. Also baba ya. Hopefully you cool. Na dem kwado da na haji akwo ebe. Na sare for Abuja. Na abugodu meba. No idiot can talk. Oga na there. No idiot can talk. Na pepper. See my black AK-47 much not easy. Not easy. No one mad dey here. The only of the boys where they here. We don't carry AK-47.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. You know, say the people where would they put hand? No be them, oh. No be them, oh. No be them, oh. Saludo. Saludo. No be them, oh. Go Fulani, carry Simon Ekpa, hold Nandi Carlo, buy all the whole ESN, hold them. But no be them, oh. The people. Those people where you see during NSAS protests, where they carry from trailer, they come east, they come east, they come east. You never ask yourself question, where those people dey? You know they see them for your streets. Where they dey inside your bush. They dey inside your forest. For different part of Nigeria everywhere. For southeast, Enugu, Anambra, Imo. They dey inside your bush. I want to tell you this story. This one happen na correct information. Where these people come for inside Owerri. Do you know that when Nosonkwa make the thing, when Nosonkwa talk about am, then they send some policemen make they go inside that bush. Another order come from Abuja say make dem tell those police wey dey go inside bush to go catch those Fulani, make dem comot for that bush immediately. No be small thing o. Na so those police dey revise them back. They no fit enter inside that bush where the Fulani people dey. This one na for Imo State. For Anambra now, I don see am. This is na citizens of Anambra State. Na dem go pay 1.something million naira. Make Fulani people leave them. And they say they are in number from now to few months. Everybody for that area go run. And I hope say this place for Anambra, una get men, una get people wey fit defend una, but the police can never defend you. The army will never defend you. Even your governor sef cannot defend you, because when the order come, him go bow for them. Abeg, make Anambra people wake up. Make una wake up and say no to this thing wey come meet us for Anambra. Na so e dey for my own. Abeg, share the video,